let's start engine number 2. Rotation. Ignition. Oil pressure. I got fan. I got ITT. I got fuel flow. Back to ITT. Watching ITT. Anything over 500 aboard. Cut off. Watching ITT. Okay, we got a good start. Ammeter kicked on.
Hillsborough ground, citation 70 Charlie Golf, information hotel at Aero Air Taxi.
Station 70 Charlie Golf, Hillsborough ground, runway 31 left, taxi via Alpha 5, Alpha.
Takeoff briefing to left seat departure, runway 31 left, anything below V1. We abort for any reason after V1, we're going flying. We can, we're going to come back on the RNAV 31 left. If we need a long runway, we could go to PDX. Other than that, we're up on the, if all goes well, we're up on the SCAPO 7. It's going to be runway heading to intercept the magenta line here. Up to 4,000. It is set and it is armed. Any questions? Hillsborough Tower, Citation 70 Charlie Golf. We'll be ready at the end, Alpha 9er.
Citation 70 Charlie Golf, Hillsborough Tower, altimeter 2996, wind 170 at 6, runway 31 left, cleared for takeoff.
31 left, cleared for takeoff, 70 Charlie Golf. Okay, final is clear. Parking brakes off.
Charlie Golf, request update on flight conditions during climb up.
Okay, we'll try 70 Charlie Golf. Ignitions, finals clear. Start my timer. Pitot, anti-collision light. So the checklist is parking brakes off, landing lights I got, ignitions I got, pitot static and anti-collision we got. Runway 31 left I see, and annunciator panel is clear. Ready to go. Takeoff tower is set. I see 2 good engines. Airspeed alive, 89 cross check. B1, rotate. Positive rate, gear up. V2 plus 10, flaps up. We'll do indicated speed. Hold.
Citation 0 Charlie Golf, center approach departure, good flight.
Contact departure, it looks like it's 1,100 feet. That's 70 Charlie Golf.
Roger.
Full departure, citation 70 Charlie Golf, 1,600, climbing 4,000.
Citation 70 Charlie Golf, full departure, IDAN climbing to 1,2000.
1,2000, 70 Charlie Golf. There's 1,2000, it's set.
Metro 41, contact Seattle Center 132.07 or
into Renton. It expires on 20th of April, so it's current. The final approach course is 157. Notes don't apply to me. Tower is on 124.7. We'll probably get direct Lutzy out of experience and then clear the approach, but Wybat is a final approach fix at 2,000 feet. MDA, it's an LPV, is 526, or DA, sorry, which is 500 feet above the ground. I'll set up the radar altimeter for 500. That is set. It's a 4.2 degree glide path, so it's going to be a lot steeper than we're used to it. So it's not going to require the about 60 to 63% N1 that we usually expect in a 3 degree approach. Once we have the flap set on land, it'll require less power than that. In case we have to go around, it's going to be Toga, going around, flaps 15, check power, 93.9er, positive rate here, set missed approach altitude, we'll get to that. At about 1,000 feet, we'll do flaps up, climb power out, takeoff checklist for missed approach is climbing, left turn to Zepco, 2,400 feet, so missed approach altitude is 2,400 feet. Setting the altimeter bugs for the empty, for the decision altitude. I'll just set it to 600. So we're landing runway 16, gonna be right turn out for pro flight. Any questions? Okay. One leg there, don't touch the yoke. Well, welcome aboard.
Thank you.
What made you want to come up here?
Well, because we have your dad in the back, and I was like, sweet, I can come up.
Nice. We're pretty much overflying the airport right now. Tail approach, good morning, Citation 70 Charlie Golf, 5,200, descending 4,000.
Citation 70 Charlie Golf, tail approach, welcome altimeter 29990.
29990, 70 Charlie Golf. Above freezing, I'm not sure if I don't think we're going to get, I'm not sure we're going to get any icing. Feet to go, we are down to 4,000 and altitude select is marked. Capture.
It's way cooler seeing you go in the clouds up here than there.
Oh yeah, way cooler.
It's like hitting a wall.
Yeah, you hope it's not a wall.
Oh my gosh. It's way different.
I don't know why I wanted that direct Lutzy, that's what I want.
Citation 0 Charlie Golf, turn left, heading 340.
340, 70 Charlie Golf. Okay, 340, we're on
Alpha 3 from Coast, turn right heading 110, maintain 2,000 until established low, so clear 9 left, runway 14 right approach.
So we're kind of on a little bit of a downwind here. A left downwind for runway 16. So engine sync.
Citation 0 Charlie Golf, descend and maintain 2,200.
2,200, 70 Charlie Golf. Okay, there's 2,200. I see it. And it is armed. Engine sync will turn off. Tower frequency we have. We're on GPS mode and approach is confirmed. Annunciator panel is clear. Next one is a before landing.
0 Charlie Golf, continue the descent to 2,000.
2,000, 70 Charlie Golf. Okay, 2,000, I see it, and we're armed. See the ground a little bit. 500 feet to go, we're armed.
Citation 0 Charlie Golf, turn left heading 260, have direct left in a moment.
260, 70 Charlie Golf. And 200 feet to go. This guy sneezes nonstop. It's like a disease.
I was thinking about that.
November 0 Charlie Golf, proceed direct Lutzy, cross Lutzy at 2,000. Cleared straight in on Zulu, runway 16 approach.
Direct Lutzy cross Lutzy at 2,000, cleared for the RNAV 16 Zulu, straight in, 70 Charlie Golf. Okay, we're direct Lutzy 2,000. Okay, cool.
We're on terminal still. We're expecting that protocol. Hey, don't get in the way of my camera there.
Okay, we're in LPV. I'll arm the approach. Winter Tower Citation 70 Charlie Golf. Good morning, RNAV 16.
Citation 0 Charlie Golf, Renton Tower, good morning, runway 16, go in.
16 clear to land, 70 Charlie Golf. I'm going visual, I can go below the glide path now. 500. Short final check, clear to land, lights on, 3 green, no red, and landing flaps on land and indicating.
70 Charlie Golf, right turn at the end and taxi to parking via Alpha Monitor ground point 6, good day.
Alpha Monitor ground point 6, good day, 70 Charlie Golf.
That was an amazing landing.
The fucking grease is weird.
Dude.
I never land like that.
That was so good, I know.
Anti-collision lights off, landing off. And we'll monitor ground, and we're clear to taxi via Alpha. Hey,
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 hey.
thanks for coming up here.
Dude, it was
It's
so
like,
nice.
I'm not worthy of this company. You never come up here. You don't care.
I know.
Plus, you're gonna be famous.
Oh my gosh. No, I was like, your dad's there, and I was like, dude, this is so pretty weather, and the clouds look so nice. I was like, and you're almost landing. I won't be here for long.
Right.
So, why not?
Dude, how good is this smell?
No, I don't like it.
Oh man, get out of my plane right now.
I'm gonna exit emergency. Wow, that smells so strong.
Fucking love it, dude.
Wow. Way more stronger up here than back there, I feel.
Really? Oh, so you're missing out.
No.
There's a marshal. I'll turn off the recog. You know, the recog lights are so bright on this plane.
I thought you said recock.
Recog. Am I gonna get some recog tonight?
That's not going in your video.
Well, I just forgot.
Airport gate is clear, taxiway problem.
I forgot how to edit videos all of a sudden. So it's gotta go in there.
Oh my gosh.
Airport gate, roger.
Inverters off, engines
That's what's up right there.
off, watching ITT.
Yay, guys, we made it! The best
Thank
pilot in
you.
the world right here.
Oh, lights off. Fuel and Hobbs meter photo. I'll just.
You want me to hit something?
don't
I could
need
do it.
this anymore. No, that's okay. Photo.
Can I buckle him?
No, not yet.
You can unbuckle him. I don't care.
Okay, you can go ahead, actually, Haim.
Battery switching off.
Dude, I got some bomb-ass pictures and videos. You don't even know.
Oh, let's turn this one off.
Sorry, I did not know it was recording there. I thought you meant, like, don't bump it, you know?
Ruining my
I
video,
know,
man.
I know, babe. I'm sorry. I thought you meant, like it's, you know, like, don't bump it. I didn't really mean don't block it.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
How awesome was that?
Yeah.
Dude, that was bomb.
Insane,
Oh
right?
my gosh, baby, I could not believe how beautiful it was up there.
Uh-huh.
I couldn't believe it.
I'm so glad you came up here.
Yeah, I was like, what the heck? You're about to land soon. I could do it for a little bit.
Little spousal
Spousal support.
support.
Spousal support. Can I go back now? Am I allowed to move?
Yeah, I don't know. I think I'll keep you.
I have to
No,
pee.
go. Get out of here.
My mom's-
Don't bump my shit, man.
Okay. Bye,
Hey,
YouTube. That was real.
Come here. Give me a kiss. Hold on.
Oh,
Hey,
mommy,
Juju.
mommy.
Mwah. Wow. Hey, is Tato a good pilot?
Because you thought it was the best. Yeah.
Thank you. Don't bump my camera.
How did John fit in here?
Dude, I had to take the seat out,
Oh,
and then he stood
I
here.
bumped your camera. I am sorry.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so I had to I had to take the seat out. He stood here, and then I installed the seat underneath him.
No, you did not.
Yeah. It was such a pain.
You're so nice. Look at this
I'm
bomb-ass
kidding.
picture.
Oh my god.
I would like to get paid to
Oh.
be your personal videographer.
We're good, thank you.
I would like to get paid to be your personal videographer and photographer on future flights moving forward. You can look at all the other things.
This is pictures?
Yeah. and
I don't know.
videos.
I don't know if you know this, but I moved on from pictures. I'm doing videos
There's
now.
videos,
Oh
don't worry.
shit. Okay, I'll look later.
I'm available. I wonder.
Can you turn that off?
Yeah. Bye, YouTube. Bye-bye.